I'm Scott Fleming, co-president of AIM Transportation Solutions, and welcome to the last day of Technician Appreciation Week. I hope everybody's had a good week. We've put out, I think, 8 of these so far, and we have 2 more to go for this drawing today. Before I draw the 2 names, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you during this Technician Appreciation Week. I hope you got to see all the other videos and all the other drawings before we draw this last one, but truly, you are the difference in the supply chain and what we do for our customers, keeping those trucks on the road every day, getting up every day, coming to work every day, turning those wrenches every day. That's what makes AIM the difference, is you out there working hard for those individuals that need you to do that. Customers, each other, right? And the supply chain. Again, thank you so much, and let's get this drawing going and see who gets the TVs on the last day. 70-inch TVs, right? All right, 70-inch TVs. So first drawing, no look. And we have Jordan Susi from Hensley, Phoenix. And the second one is Brian Barrickman from Used Trucks Girard. Congratulations, Jordan and Brian, on your 70-inch TVs, and to all of you, to keep on turning them wrenches, and thank you again.